Hey guys, it's Alex Z. Sitting by my pool, chilling with my family, my beautiful wife. For those people that have been sitting on the fence, I just want to show something. Laying by the pool, making $6,000 in one day. Okay, $6,000 in one day. So for those skeptics out there, I want to show you income proof so you see it with your own eyes. So when you get involved with this business, this is what you can get. Not just $25 commissions, but also $3,000 sexy commissions, okay? This is what I call lifestyle income, right? This is when you can build your pool, chill out by the pool with your family, invite friends over, have barbecues, have parties. Travel the world, for God's sakes, anytime you want without asking your boss. 5 months ago, I was stuck in a cubicle. I've been a slave. I'm not afraid to say that because I've been a slave for corporate world, for corporate America, stuck in a rat race, right? And now thanks to the system that we guys have, nobody has this system, and any of the other teams in Empower has this system that we actually, guys, give you ability to have your own personal business assistant, right? So that's basically your person that closes your sales, right? So you don't have to make your phone calls. You don't have to talk to prospects. You don't have to welcome new members. It's as easy as it gets to money on autopilot. Everybody's looking for that easy button, right? And I think we solved that formula. We solved that puzzle, right? We have this easy button. So basically, to get results like this, income disclosure, you're gonna see below the video. A lot of people on my teammates experiencing similar results. Just like last week, Michael Martin had 2 master sales, right? $6,000 in 1 week. Okay, we just had $6,000 in 1 day. Many more success stories. People that using personal business assistants with the system called iPass. Okay, this is the system that allows you to have freedom, right? So you can do whatever you want with your family while your business is cracking, right? While your business is cranking those, sexy $3,000 commissions, right? If you go to my Gmail, let me show you guys. If I go to my Gmail real quick, you'll see today we got 2 emails, right, from Dave and Dave. Guys, you're gonna love getting those emails. Those emails just like stop your breathing, stop your heart from pumping, right? And you realize that you can do whatever you want with your life and your loved ones, right? You can do whatever you want. This is what you get when somebody's buying that master's course for $3,000, right? And here's another one. Here's another one. Here we go. Right there. You almost $3,000 pass-up sale. And this is actually not even from me, from my teammates. So what does that mean? That means that person already made $3,000. So his second sale passed up to me, right? This is the leverage you guys are going to get on part of Prosperity team, on our team. You'll be able to leverage your team's effort. While people making money, they're making even more money for you. And the products are outstanding. They're going to change your life. They're going to increase your, love for this life. You're gonna develop your relationships even better. You're gonna connect with your spouse, your girlfriends, your boyfriends. You're gonna have fun with your life again. Okay, so there's gonna be a link below the video. I'm gonna show you. Some people still wanna see more proof, I think. So this is the e-wallet. So you get paid directly to your bank account. You can actually get a prepaid debit card, or they can send you a check, or they can do a direct deposit right to your checking or savings account. And we open worldwide. It's not just, United States. It's everywhere. We're open in over 200 countries. A lot of, people with large teams coming on board. People that, make maybe $20,000 a month, with people where they have like 5,000 people, and people don't, their teammates don't make anything, right? They make squat. So now they see the big picture. And they're coming on board because now they see they can make those $100,000 per month, right, and above, and people on their teams can finally make you know, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 per month, $10,000 a month, a lot easier, you know, even building this part-time. Okay, I built this part-time, I started part-time. So if you allow me, I'll show you my e-wallet, and this might really shock you, but this is what we did part-time, right? This is actually a lot higher than that, but I mean, last week we had $11,000 that just paid from the e-wallet, so next payment is $15,000, right? Guys, don't overthink this. You can start as low as $25. Obviously, you can start as low as 25 bucks. But to make this lifestyle money, life-changing money, you need to get all in. You need to get all 5 products, and that will allow you to utilize PBAs, personal business assistants, to close your sales. Would you like to have that, right? So you can chill out by the pool or by the beach, anywhere in the park, you know, having fun with your life, and those people close your sales. This is the leverage that you guys are gonna get part of this team. So obviously you want to get all in. You want to get all 5 products, and you know, you can experience $6,000 days. You can experience $9,000 days like I had. Okay, so click the link below the video and join our team. You know, if you saw this video from one of my teammates, join them. You know, they'll have a link for you to join, and you'll get access to the same resources, tools, marketing training that you guys need to succeed in this business, and access to those personal business assistants that will close your sales. Guys, enjoy your day. We'll see you guys on the beaches of the world. Take care.